Alright, what's up YouTube? I've been waiting for this for a long time, and this is something awesome. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. Thanks and shout out to We Are Likewise. I think they have an Instagram. I'll put an Instagram right somewhere in the video. It's a pretty cool box. I don't know if you guys can see it. We Are Likewise. Instructions. Oh my god. Oh, this is weighted too. The camera doesn't pick it up so well, but in person this is like a Tiffany blue color. It's pretty heavy. It's weighted. Also got the adapters for the shift knob. And yeah, so not only this is an unboxing video, this is also gonna be an install video. So I'm gonna take you guys downstairs with me and install that shit right away. There's the car. I'm driving her tomorrow, by the way, and I'm gonna try to see if I can make a video installing my tune, the OFT tune that I got. So here's the original shift knob, and I am gonna install my brand new one, which is a Tiffany blue shift knob with the adapter that I got for it because it's not gonna fit well with this. All right, so I'm gonna try to remove this shift knob real quick. It's easy, you just need to twist it off and it comes right off after. This is a pretty heavy knob too by itself, so I'll leave that aside. And so the first thing I think I need to put in would have to be, is it this? Alright, so I did it. I just needed to put on the first adapter, so I'll show you real quick. I need to, oh shit, this one got stuck in there. I need to put this green one, which blocks me from, blocks the shift knob from going down all the way. And so, and there was another one that I screwed on top of it, which was the one that fits inside. You can see it, it's the green one. So now I just need to twist this on and tighten it a little bit, and that's it. You want to make sure that if you have this, a latch that you can pull up for reverse, make sure that works. Alright, so that's it for today's unboxing and install. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I also hope you guys enjoy looking at the precious, very nice, diamond-shaped Tiffany blue shift knob that I got from We Are Likewise. I'll have the link in the description box below and their Instagram if they have it in the video somewhere. But you guys should check them out. If you have 350 or 370Z, BRZ FRS, STI, and Miatas and ARX 8s, I think, you can get shift knobs for those cars that I just listed in the video. And right now I'm gonna go take some pictures for the gram, and I'll post on the gram sometime soon. I should post one by the time this video comes out.